Juicy, bold, and kissed by the grill, this marinated chicken is packed with classic Greek flavor. Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat. I'm starting with about 4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. These have been washed, cleaned, and placed into a large Ziploc freezer bag. I've actually doubled up to make sure none of the marinade leaks in the fridge. You can also use a bowl covered tightly with plastic wrap if that's easier for you. Now for the marinade. I'm using the juice of 6 fresh lemons. That gives me about 1 full cup of lemon juice. You can use bottled lemon juice in a pinch, but fresh really makes a difference in flavor. To that, I'm adding 1 cup of olive oil, equal parts lemon juice and oil. Now for the good stuff. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Greek seasoning. I like Cavender's, but you can use your favorite. To that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of za'atar seasoning. If you don't have za'atar, you can use Italian seasoning. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1/2 a tablespoon of kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You're going to give the marinade a good mix. Then you'll pour it over the chicken in the bag. Now give it a good toss after you've sealed the bags up and make sure all the pieces are covered well with the marinade. Then you'll place it in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 4 hours. 5 or 6 hours is even better. I'm grilling mine today on a Pit Boss smoker set to about 350 degrees. You can use a gas grill, a charcoal grill, or even cook it indoors on a grill pan. But that smoky flavor from the grill really takes this over the top. When you place the chicken on the grill, don't be surprised if it looks already partly cooked. That's just the acid from the lemon juice. It starts to break down the meat. You'll grill for about 10 minutes on each side or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's done, let the chicken rest for a few minutes and then slice it up to serve. It's flavorful, tender, and perfect with a side of roasted potatoes or a fresh Greek salad.